Welcome to the best picks. The best GoPro boat mount is probably one of the most important accessories for capturing smooth, stable footage of your boating adventures. Whether you're waterskiing, wakeboarding, fishing, or simply cruising along the coast, this mount will keep your GoPro securely attached to your boat, allowing you to focus on the experience without worrying about losing your camera or getting subpar footage. A good boat mount should be durable enough to withstand the harsh marine environment, easy to install and adjust, and compatible with various GoPro models. Number 5. GoPro Suction Cup Mount. This mount provides a robust and reliable way to attach your GoPro to various surfaces. Its industrial-strength suction cup ensures a firm grip, even at high speeds. It's perfect for capturing action-packed moments from cars, boats, or motorcycles. The suction cup's strong hold keeps it secure, no matter the adventure. This mount has been rigorously tested and proven reliable at speeds exceeding 150 miles per hour. You can trust it to stay put during high-speed activities. It's engineered for stability and offers a wide range of motion, allowing you to capture shots from various angles. Get creative with your perspectives. The quick-release base makes switching between shots and locations a breeze. It's designed for efficiency and convenience, so you can focus on the action. With its secure grip, versatile design, and quick-release feature, it's the perfect companion for all your adventures. Capture every moment with confidence. What we like. It boasts an industrial-strength suction cup, perfect for high-speed adventures. The quick-release base lets you switch angles in a flash. If you need a versatile mount for various vehicles and situations, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfectly for my GoPro Hero 10. Holds the action camera perfectly in place while I was driving and the footage didn't have too much bumps either. I used motion smoothing mode as well. Suction works perfectly even after I removed and reinstalled it to different locations a couple of times. It is an essential filming accessory if you want to shoot any driving video. I have now taken this beast on 2 trips over 80 miles per hour. The first time it was attached to my driver's side window. The second time it was to the lower portion of my driver door. So both glass and metal at over 80 miles per hour. This thing has gorilla grip. No shaking, very simple to use. It's holding my Hero 7 Black in a watertight case. Strong hold securely mounts your GoPro 12 Black on smooth surfaces, even at high speeds. Flexible angles, adjustable arms for perfect shot angles. Durable, built to withstand outdoor conditions. Easy to use, a quick setup and removal. Stable footage, reduces vibrations for clear videos. Number 4. YOLOtek GoPro Boat Mount StickOnly. This innovative mount lets you power and securely attach your GoPro to your boat. It's perfect for capturing all-day action footage. It converts your boat's 12V navigation light port power to the 5V your GoPro needs. Enjoy worry-free recording with its built-in battery protection. This versatile mount extends from 36 to 53 inches, and features a ball and joint mount for flexible positioning. Capture the perfect shot every time. Simply plug it into your boat's navigation light port, no tools required. Detailed instructions are included for a quick and easy setup. It comes with 3 locking collars to fit various boat ports and speeds, ensuring a secure mount even at high speeds. YOLOtek is a U.S. veteran-owned company committed to providing great products and exceptional customer service. Contact us today with any questions. What we like. This mount powers your camera directly from your boat's navigation lights, eliminating battery worries. Its extendable arm provides flexible positioning for optimal shots. If you're looking for a convenient, always-on solution for extended filming sessions, this is your best bet. What people say. This was used to film fishing videos and it worked great. Easy to use. This is a clever product that makes use of existing mounting and power connections. It works great, and it built well. I use this with a DJI Osmo Action 3 and the viewing angle captures the entire stern of the boat really well. This product has facilitated excellent footage of our fishing trips. This thing was the answer to all my video problems. No more worrying about the internal battery running out. Just plug it into your bow or stern light receptacle, and record as much as you want. Number 3. YOLOtek PowerStick-53. It's compatible with GoPro, DJI Osmo, Tacticam, and more. This ensures your camera stays powered up for all your adventures. Extending up to 53 inches, it gives you the flexibility for unique shots. Its durable design can handle any adventure you throw at it. The bright LED light increases visibility in low-light conditions. Perfect for night fishing or early morning shoots. Proudly designed by a veteran-owned company, it combines innovation with rugged reliability. You can depend on it for all your adventures. Have questions or need tips? Call our live support at 800-488-5512. Follow our store for updates. What we like. It offers all-day power to your camera via your boat's navigation lights, and the extendable arm helps you capture unique angles. The integrated safety beacon enhances visibility in low-light conditions. If safety and long filming sessions are priorities, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The build is very high quality even at full extension. It plugs right into my navigational light fitting on my boat and allows my GoPro to be powered off my boat batteries. The Power Stick comes with the most popular navigation light port locking collars that will almost assuredly fit your particular port on your boat. My new Phoenix 721 Pro XP locks down the Power Stick perfectly with one of the 3 collars. The rainproof putty gives you the ability to make absolutely sure that your waterproof camera is still waterproof while it is being continuously powered by the Power Stick. Number 2. KEMIMOTO UTV Camera Mount. Capture every adventure with our versatile camera mount. It's designed for easy installation and secure placement on your vehicle, ensuring your camera stays put through any terrain. This mount provides 360-degree rotation, giving you complete control over your camera angle. Get the perfect shot no matter where you are. With its non-slip rubber mat and sturdy aluminum construction, it's built to stay firmly in place. It won't budge, even during the most intense rides. Installation is a breeze, and it comes with all the necessary accessories. It's compatible with a wide range of cameras and roll bar sizes. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's resistant to corrosion, impacts, and weather. It's ready to withstand whatever adventures you throw its way. From UTVs and ATVs to boats and trucks, this mount is incredibly versatile. Take it anywhere your adventures lead you. What we like. This mount provides 360-degree rotation for ultimate shot flexibility and is incredibly easy to install. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles and roll bars. If you prioritize adjustability and ease of use, this is the mount for you. What people say. The GoPro mount was still attached to the vehicle nice and solid with zero damage to my GoPro. I do not think it gets much sturdier than that. This works well for me. I attach it to the front driver's side roll bar on my RZR. So far it has held the GoPro in place. Been able to get some nice footage using it. This is a great mount. I have it attached to my aftermarket cars and on the left side so I can adjust it from the driver's seat. For the money they are a great product and I will continue to look at what they have first. Number 1. YOLOtek GoPro Boat Mount. This bundle is perfect for capturing stunning action videos on the water. It's designed to power your GoPro and other action cameras all day long. It easily converts your boat's 12V navigation port power to the 5V needed for your GoPro, DJI, Insta360, and more. It also protects against overvoltage, short circuits, and overcharging. This mount extends from 36 to 53 inches, providing the perfect height and angle for your shots. The ball and joint design gives you ultimate flexibility. Simply plug it into your boat's navigation light port, no tools required. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. The bundle includes silicone putty for weatherproofing, dielectric grease to prevent corrosion, and various collars for compatibility with different boats. Everything you need is right here. YOLOtek is a veteran-owned business committed to providing great products and exceptional customer service. Contact us anytime with questions or for tips. What we like. It offers a convenient powered mount with an extendable arm for versatile filming. This bundle includes additional accessories to ensure compatibility and protection. If you want a complete, worry-free solution, this is the perfect option. What people say. The PowerStick with nav light worked as advertised. Worked really well with my old GoPro 3, no problems at all. Works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.